Hi there, Preston Salen. I wanted to make a video about backgrounds for Zoom meetings. Obviously, with all the coronavirus and all that stuff, everything's going virtual now, and Zoom seems to be the meeting place of choice. I think I was on 8 different Zoom meetings last weekend, um, and I'm sponsoring classes and stuff. But anyway, if you're going to be on Zoom meetings or you're going to go into real estate offices or anything like that, or whatever other Zoom meeting you happen to do, um, if you want to brand and have a cool background, this video is for you. So let me kind of start off. The way you change your background is and you're probably not able to see this on here, but you go down at the bottom left corner, you got a microphone and a camera. You click on that little up arrow to camera, and it says choose virtual background. And I'm not sure if this is going to record on here. It's probably showing me here, but you've got virtual background, and if you've had some other ones, there's a little plus sign that you can choose the backgrounds that you want. And what I did was I put them all into a folder. So let me show you a couple of backgrounds that I have made, and I'll show you how I did that as well. So let's go to screen share here. And you can see here's my folder with all my backgrounds. So let's share that one. Yeah, so, and I have some videos. Those are some videos. So I just did like a purple one here. So I put my logo and certified master inspector. What you're going to do is have a thumbnail picture. This background is a 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080. And I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. I just want to show you some ideas of what you can do. This one's kind of cool here. Let's see. So yeah, I did all these. This is the one we have right now. You can do a wood background. It's kind of cool, virtual background, sort of a mountain deal. The sky scene. It's kind of like a purple football skin there. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with that one, but anyway, this is kind of a cool background. Any background you can get that's a 16 by 9, you can do this on Canva. And I'll show you how to do it. It's really, really easy. Oh, that's actually a painting. I painted that. I do a little bit of art. I've got a couple of other ones. This is a downtown Charlotte. I think this one might be a video. And I have a couple of drone videos of downtown Charlotte because that's where I am. That's actually a video. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can see the moving screen. You can get drone footage or really cool footage. See, that's the other thing. You can have a video. That's what this fish tank is in the back. If you go to videoblocks.com, they pretty much have drone footage of every major city or time lapses, and that would be a cool thing to have in the background while you are having a meeting. Go back to that other. This one's kind of cool too. Watch, kind of fun. So I made a whole bunch, put them in a folder. And there's just some plain ones. Just whatever. I may change them while I'm in the meeting. You can do that real easily. So how do I do that? Well, let's go back to Canva and let me show you. Canva is fantastic. I love Canva. It's just sort of a little kind of a Photoshop-ish. It's a website. The free thing, you can do a lot of stuff. I actually just have a free account. I will gladly pay. So let me share that one. Sorry. So this is canva.com. And basically, like, these are all my designs that I've had. So you'll see some things I've been doing. There's some of those backgrounds. That's a new one I did with waterfalls. And a lot of the other stuff I do video thumbnails, stuff like that for my videos, just all kinds of stuff. But let's go back to home because I want to show you how you guys can make a cool virtual background for your Zoom. They actually have a category for that. So what you'll do is, so you got Instagram post, Facebook post. I'm just scrolling down. It's actually a category. Posters, social media, Instagram stories. Love Canva. I can't say enough good things about Canva. Zoom virtual backgrounds. And you're going to see where I got this one. So here we go. You can You can use any of the backgrounds they've got, or you can bring in your own photo. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. They got some pretty cool ones here. So let's use this one, like that one, tropical background, right? So with Canva, and again, this is 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080. It's the same as like if you did your camera sideways. That's the ratio right there. All right, so these are the backgrounds. So what you're going to do on Canva, photos, elements, my text could go there. I'm going to go to upload, so you can upload things. So I've got my logo here, and those are some other paintings and stuff. There's my logo here. But just so I can show you how to do it, what I would do if I were you is upload your logo. Let's see what my logo is here. Downloads. Wait 1 second here. Sorry. All my logos are 1200. All right, so here's all my logos. So let's say for this background, I want that logo. So I'm going to upload that, and you'll see it uploading here on the left. It'll take just a second. And we're going to squeeze it over here. Now, remember, this is 16 by 9. When you're in the thing, your head's going to be here in the middle. You basically have room on both sides to put some sort of logo or signage. So, however you want to do it. I don't know why this thing's taking so long. While it's going on that one, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Certified Master Inspector, because I like to put that on one side. So grab these corners down, and tighten it down. What you want to do is go online if you're a Certified Master Inspector and grab that Certified Master Inspector logo, and you want the PNG without the background, because otherwise that'll be like a white square, which would be okay, but it's not quite as good. Here's another little trick I learned. When this virtual thing shows, it's kind of going to crop that off. So I learned kind of to pull it down. I want it on both sides, but pull it down a little bit because it'll get cropped off. All right, let's go back and see if that thing uploaded. There we go. So yeah, hold on. So don't really want to do that. I want to get in there so I can grab these handlebars and size it down, right? So I'll put that in that corner. Let's pull that down. Let's pull that down. My head will be right there. So voila, you've got a virtual background. We're going to go on Canva and download it. So you've got your choice of you can be PNG or JPEG. They recommend PNG, so we're going to prepare that design, bring it down, and I'm going to switch to that one on this video. All right. So let's go back. We just made that background, and you can make as many as you want, and you can upload your own photos. See, I've uploaded, these are some paintings that I did. I've got paintings as backgrounds. You can upload videos, like I said, drone footage. There's a painting I did of Charlotte. Well, I need to make that. I'm not sure I have that one, but just all kinds of things. So I wanted to show you. Okay, so we just made this background, right? Let's see how it looks. So I'm going to go to switch my backgrounds, go to choose virtual background, and let's see how this looks. Now, it's not going to be as fun as this one because this one's a video. Let's go to downloads. There we go. Hey, and there's our logo that we just created, our background. So there we go. If you want to make other people in the meeting jealous because they think you're at some tropical location, there you go. But anyway, this has been Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina. I hope this video has been helpful. If you're going to be in a lot of Zoom meetings, you definitely want to get some branding while you're on there. And especially, if you're, no matter what your business is. So I recommend Canva and changing that virtual background. Now, one other thing, this won't work too well if you got a kind of crazy background. You need a screen. I actually have a white screen, but I ordered a green screen. I think it's worth it if we're going to be doing all these Zoom meetings. So I hope this has been helpful in a way to create your background for your Zoom next Zoom meeting. Thanks a lot. And if you need an inspection in Charlotte or Raleigh or Asheville area, give Home Inspection Carolina a call. Thank you very much.